Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your system is ready. Update GPU drivers and verify you have at least 2 GB of RAM so playback is smooth. Next, pick the engine you want: Wallpaper Engine, Rain Wallpaper, or Lively. Because each handles formats differently, choose one to avoid format headaches. Once chosen, open the App Store or project page and sign in, then search Curated Packs or the Workshop. Start downloading a small sample first, so you can test performance without committing to large files. You should install the engine with admin rights to ensure file access and optional startup integration. Once installed, import your chosen wallpaper, local, MP4/, WebM clips, GIF, or HTML5 scenes from the workshop. Configure playback settings, set quality to around 60 to 80%, and cap FPS between 30 and 60 to balance look and performance. Also enable pause on game or battery saver modes so the software suspends when you need resources. Finally, preview the wallpaper to confirm visuals and resource usage. You finish by positioning and scaling the wallpaper to match your desktop layout, fit or center for 16:9 monitors, or custom crop for ultra-wide. Make sure optimization features are enabled. Reduce resolution for background windows, disable overlays, and watch GPU/RAM meters during playback. If issues occur, try clearing the app cache and re-importing the asset, confirm codecs are installed, or switch renderer modes. If stuttering persists, lower quality or cap FPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.